to fix Zoom audio not working. If you're having audio problem on Zoom meeting, then here's how to fix it. Firstly, launch your Zoom app. In the Zoom app, you should see an interface like this. Now at the top left corner, you should see your profile. Click on that. Then go to settings. Inside settings, you should see the option audio. Click on the audio option and make sure to select any preferred medium. It is recommended that you choose noise removal for meetings. Also, make sure that you have provided microphone access to the Zoom app. You can simply check that by going to your settings. Or you can tap and hold on the app and click on the eye icon to go to App Info. Inside App Info, select the option Permissions. Now make sure that the microphone option is in the Allowed section. Click on Microphone and select Allow Only while using the app. Without providing microphone access, your microphone or audio won't work. Now you can place a meeting or join an existing one to see if the audio works or not. But before that also, make sure that you give your device a quick restart. Check for your volume too. Sometimes because of your device volume also, your audio might not be working. So make sure that you check the volume option. So that's all for today. Thank you.